We have made it to Ho Chi Minh, Saigon after 2 weeks in the islands and the countryside. This is our first big city that we've been to in Vietnam. I'm a little bit nervous because I am not a big city gal and everything we hear is that it's crazy, that it's busy, but we're just gonna embrace the chaos for the next 4 nights. Home to nearly 10 million people, Ho Chi Minh City, often called the land of motorbikes, lives up to the name. And when you're here, it feels like half of them are on the road at once. And yes, the rumors are true. Crossing the street does feel impossible at first. We took a bus from Bến Tre to Ho Chi Minh City, which took about 2.5 hours. From the terminal, we booked a Grab to our hotel, Ecomo House, an affordable, low to mid-range spot in the heart of District 1. It gave us the perfect base to explore the city over the next 4 days. Just around the corner is Bui Vien Walking Street, which made it our first stop. I hadn't researched it beforehand, so I was more than a little surprised. By day, it's a bit quieter, a casual place to grab a drink and people watch. Since it was so close, we found ourselves there a few times during our stay. It's a good place to meet other travelers and get a feel for the city's energy. But at night, it's a completely different world. Even if you don't drink, it's worth a walk down the street at least once, just to soak it all in. The next morning, we set out on foot to explore more of the city, starting with a walk towards the river. It's only 80 degrees today, but the humidity, it'll get you. I think the humidity point is something like 76% or something right now, so got a little extra fro today. Navigating the busy sidewalks, we made our way to the Saigon River, passing by the impressively tall Bitexco Financial Tower, once the tallest building in Vietnam. It's a striking contrast to the street-level energy, where daily life moves at a much slower pace. Eventually, we reached Bac Dong Quay Park, a long, landscape stretch along the riverfront. It's a popular spot for both locals and visitors to take a break, enjoy the view, or simply cool off in the shade. In a city that never really stops moving, this area feels surprisingly calm. From there, we turned up Nguyen Hue Walking Street, one of the city's most iconic promenades. It's wide, modern, and filled with art, fountains, and seasonal displays. We stopped to admire the Cafe Apartments, a stacked building filled with tiny cafes, boutiques, and workspaces. At the top of the street is the statue of Ho Chi Minh, standing in front of the Grand City Hall. It's a popular photo spot. All that walking and exploring is bound to make you hungry, and luckily, Ho Chi Minh City delivers. From sit-down restaurants to sizzling street food stalls, there's no shortage of incredible flavors to try. But to really experience the food culture here, you have to be willing to eat like a local. Skip the laminated menus with English translations and step into a street market. Don't worry about knowing exactly what you're ordering. Just point, smile, and go for it. Let the smells guide you, and let the chaos of it all be part of the charm. You might not know the name of what you're eating, but I guarantee you won't regret it. After all that delicious food, it's time for a drink, and in Ho Chi Minh City, that means coffee. Vietnamese coffee is strong, sweet, and absolutely unforgettable. Whether you order it iced, with condensed milk, or try it with egg or coconut, it's more than just a caffeine fix. It's part of the culture. Cheers! good. It's very different, but it's good. At night, Ho Chi Minh City doesn't slow down. It shines even brighter. The buildings light up, the motorbikes never stop, and somehow the city feels even more alive after dark. Whatever you're looking for, music, food, or just a long walk, the city has something for you 24 hours a day. From above, it's a network of lights, traffic winding through the city like arteries always moving. The Phu Mai Bridge, which stretches over the Saigon River, lights up like something out of a sci-fi movie. The bridge isn't just a link across the river. It's like a glowing spine of steel holding the city together. It's in these moments, the walk back, the quiet end to a loud day, that everything starts to sink in. And we knew there was still so much more to take in tomorrow. We took a couple hours to visit the War Remnants Museum, a powerful, sobering look at the country's past. It's not an easy experience, but it's an important one. The exhibits are emotional, graphic at times, and deeply moving. If you're visiting the city, I'd say it's a must visit. Ho Chi Minh City isn't all crowds and chaos. I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to find a bit of calm in one of the many city parks. All right. Nice. Green spaces are scattered all over, and they offer a welcome break from the constant hum of traffic and scooters. We spent time daily at nearby Cong Vien Park, but my favorite was Tao Dan Park. It felt like a completely different world. Tall trees, quiet corners, and just enough space to breathe. In the early morning, you might catch Tai Chi, badminton, or friends playing a game of cards. In the afternoon, it's locals on benches, sharing snacks, or just watching the world go by. While we were sitting in the park, a few men approached offering shoe shines. Most people tend to wave them off, but after 8 months on the road, we didn't mind. For just a few dollars, you can get your shoes cleaned, or even have the soles replaced. Just be sure to agree on a price before they get started. From Tao Dan Park, it's an easy walk to some of the city's most iconic landmarks, like the Independence Palace, the Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Saigon Central Post Office, with its grand colonial architecture and beautiful tiled floors. But my personal favorite is just around the corner, Book Street. This quiet tree-lined stretch is a haven for book lovers, lined with little open-air shops and cafes. You'll find everything from Vietnamese bestsellers to children's books, travel guides, and even a good selection of English titles if you're looking for something new to read on the road. It's also just a peaceful spot to sit with a coffee and people watch for a while. And of course, no visit is complete without a little shopping. From bustling street markets to modern malls, Ho Chi Minh City has it all, if you're willing to bargain. The most famous spot is Ben Thanh Market, where you'll find everything from souvenirs and snacks to knockoff handbags and t-shirts.
I do like white, it's at 150 or something.
But if you're after something a bit more upscale, say a new pair of Nikes, there are plenty of malls and brand name stores scattered around the city too. So here's the reality of travel. It is 8:30 p.m. We've been out almost all day for 11 hours straight. We each got pizzas, different kinds of pizzas from 2 places. So we are eating whilst packing. We have it's not too early. A 9 a.m. flight to Singapore tomorrow, so it is an international flight. We got clean laundry back today. We went shopping today. And now we gotta pull it all together. 4 days in Ho Chi Minh City went by fast, but we saw a lot, ate even more, and left with a deeper appreciation for this vibrant, complex place. There's an energy here that's hard to describe, chaotic and charming, loud and welcoming all at once. Whether you're wandering through markets, sipping coffee on a quiet street, or just trying to cross the road, the city leaves an impression. It's not always easy to keep up with the pace, but once you find your rhythm, it's hard not to fall for it.